Hello dear JEE aspirants, hope you are doing excellent in mathematics to score very good marks in JEE Mains 2026, and for those students who are preparing for 2027 might have been doing sequence and series chapter first time. So I am taking very easy and conceptual question from the chapter sequence and series. So let us see the question. We are observing the data first. Question says a raised to power 1 by x equal to b raised to power 1 by y equal to c raised to power 1 by z, and a, b, c are in GP. A, B, C are in GP. So these are the two observations. I noticed that A, B, C are given to us in GP. A, B, C are in GP, and it is given that a raised to power 1 by x equal to b raised to power 1 by y equal to c raised to power 1 by z, and we are asked about x, y and z. We have to see whether x, y, z are in AP or GP or HP. AP means arithmetic progression, GP geometric progression, HP harmonic progression, and last option is given to us none of these. Means we have to see according to given two conditions that A, B, C are in GP and a raised to power 1 by x equal to b raised to power 1 by y equal to c raised to power 1 by z. If it is given, then what can we say about x, y, z, whether they are in AP, GP or HP. So we have to understand that if x, y, z are in AP, then I can write 2y equal to x plus z. If x, y, z are in GP, then I can write y square equal to zx, and if x, y, z are in HP, then I can write y equal to 2zx upon z plus x. All we understand about it that whenever three numbers are given in AP, then twice of middle term equal to sum of first term and third term. If ABC are in GP, then square of the middle term equal to product of first and third term, and if x, y, z are in HP, then middle term can be written as twice of third term into first term whole divided by third term plus first term. We understand it about x, y, z. So we have to see out of these three which one is true. If they are in AP, then we have to see the relation between x, y, z like this. If they are in GP, then we have to see relation between x, y, z like this, and if they are in GP, HP, then relation should be like this. So we have to utilize these two informations. So first of all, I will see that A, B, C are in GP. It means I can write B square equal to CA. I can use it whenever required. B square equal to CA. B square equal to CA. I have written here again to understand very clearly कि A, B, C are in GP means B upon A उतना ही होगा जितना C upon B, यानी B square equal to AC आ जाएगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसको, तो ये रिलेशन हमें दिया हुआ है. इट इज़ गिवन टू अस, एज वेल एज इट इज़ आल्सो गिवन दैट A रेज टू पावर 1 बाई x इक्वल टू B रेज टू पावर 1 बाई y इक्वल टू C रेज टू पावर 1 बाई z. जब भी एक्सपोनेंट्स में वेरिएबल जो दिया हुआ है हमें वो रेशनल फॉर्म में होता है, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें एक्स वाई जेड में रिलेशन निकालना है, तो एक्स वाई जेड को हमें बाहर लाना पड़ेगा, पावर से नीचे उतारना पड़ेगा. तो इसको इक्वल टू हमें कोई कांस्टेंट मान लेना चाहिए. लेट के इट इज़ इक्वल टू के, ये मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया. इट इज़ इक्वल टू के. नाउ व्हाट कैन आई डू? I will use now rules of exponents, and rules of exponents says that whenever it is given that a raised to power m equal to some constant, then what should I do? I can do that a can be written as a raised to power m की whole power 1 by m, can be written as k raised to power 1 by m if required. I understand, इसे कहते हैं taking mth root to both side, but here I have to make free a raised to power 1 by x from x. So I will divide this relation in three parts. First I can write a raised to power 1 by x equal to k, because these three are equal to each other, it is given to us, and I have assumed that it is equal to k. So I can write them separately, b raised to power y equal to k and c raised to power 1 upon z as k. Now I will take x power to both side in all the three expressions, means I can write a raised to power 1 by x whole power x, a raised to power 1 by x whole power x equal to k raised to power x. Similarly I will write here b raised to power 1 by y whole power y equal to k की power y, and in third case I can write that c raised to power 1 by z whole power z equal to k की power z. Now let us see what happens in next step. As I know that by using rules of exponents, I know that a raised to power m raised to power n can be written as a raised to power mn. So in next step I can see a raised to power 1 by x into x, that will be cancelled out. So I can write a equal to k की power x, a can be written as k की power x. Similarly I can write b as k की power y, because b raised to power 1 by y into y पावर में, तो क्या होगा y y कैंसिल हो जाएगा, b की पावर 1 बच जाएगा जिसे मैं b लिख सकता हूँ. Similarly here I can write c will be equal to k की power z. These are the three relation, right, in terms of a, b and c. I have calculated a, b, c in terms of k, x and y. Now I can see these three relation can be utilized in this expression b square equal to ca, b square equal to ca, and if I see these three relation, I can put values of a, b, c in terms of k, x and y and z here. So I can say that this equation if I assume equation b and this equations as a, I can put values of a, b and c in equation number b. So let us see what happens. Equation b says b square equal to ca, b square equal to ca. I will put a, b, c here. So b square equal to ca. So I can put in place of b, I can put k की power y, and in place of c I can put k raised to power z, and in place of a I can write k raised to power x. So this question is not so difficult. This question is relatively easy if we have done basic questions of geometric progression and we understand the basic rules of exponents. Now I can see k raised to power y raised to power 2 can be written as k raised to power 2y equal to k raised to power z into k raised to power x can be written as z plus x. Bases are same, then powers will be added. You can write here in bracket as well. So I can say here bases are same, then powers has to be same, so I can write 2y equal to z plus x. So I can see कि y equal to z plus x divided by 2. It means y is the arithmetic mean, between x and z. It means I can say x, y, z are in AP. So I think option A is saying that x, y, z are in AP. So this option seems correct. I hope question is very clear to you. I have tried my level best to explain it in easiest way. Still, if you are having doubt, you can share me your opinion, your comments, so that I can improve myself to explain you in better way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.